everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very delicious, tasty avocado roti. It's one of the best vegan recipe. Please try it and you're going to like it. How to make such delicious avocado roti? I'm going to show you today. So let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. 2 cup wheat flour, 2 avocados. Depending on the size, if you have a bigger or smaller, I'll let you know that how much exactly wheat flour I use it. We're not going to use any water. Green chili, 1 jalapeno. I like it roti hot. If you don't like hot, then skip it. We're going to use a half lemon juice. Salt is always to taste. I'm using a half teaspoon. Spinach, which is we call palak, half cup. You can use fresh cilantro or parsley, but I will be using only spinach, and then olive oil. As for spices, you can use any spices, whatever you like. And let's start making our delicious avocado roti. And the first step will be making up a dough. The avocado, and we're going to mash it, then mix with flour. Get a mixing bowl. Both avocados are scooped out. Now we're going to add salt, half lemon juice. I'm using a sieve so we can catch any seeds. With the help of fork, we're going to mash it. With the help of fork, the avocados is mashed. Now we're going to add green chili. And as I mentioned, this is a jalapeno chili, and this is hot. Salt and pepper is always to taste. You can adjust according to your taste. So once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add spinach. What I did with the spinach leaves, I wash with cold water and I finely chop. Mix it again. So as you see, it's nicely combined. And I'm going to use my hands to make a dough. So make sure that your hands are very clean. So we're going to take out the fork. And we're going to add wheat flour. I'm using like a 1.5 cup. So we're going to make sure first we mix, then we're going to add it later again. So after mixing 1.5 cup flour, as you see, it's pretty sticky. So I'm going to use half more. So altogether we use 2 cups. As I mentioned, if your avocados are small or big, then if you need to add more, you always can add more. So keep mixing until it's become nicely smooth dough. As you see, after kneading the dough, this is how it looks. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon olive oil. And we're going to knead the dough again. So we're going to knead like 1 more minute. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. It's looking perfect. You can make rotis just right now, but I'm going to let the dough rest for like 10 to 15 minutes. So get a plate or plastic wrap, whatever you want to do, but I'm just going to use a plate, cover it. So let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. The dough has been rested for 15 minutes. So we're going to take out the dough. So we're going to get the Lazy Susan and we're going to cut right in half. I'm going to roll. So this way, when you roll out like this and you cut it, so your dough ball size, your roti size will be even and perfect. We got 5 dough balls and we're going to get 5 more. So altogether 10 from 2 cups. And now we're going to roll out. So we're going to do like this and place it here. We're going to do the other one and I'll place this one in a plate and we'll make additional 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 5 more. Altogether 10 dough balls. This is a very delicious vegan vegetarian recipe. Also it's very tasty, so please try it. On Lazy Susan, you can do this dry flour and place the dough ball on it and press it and do like this. Now we're going to get the rolling pin and we're going to roll out. When you roll out, you do like this. And if it's sticky, then you can add some more dry flour. Make sure that it's coated all over, just like this. And then like turn it around and do it same thing. So as you see, this is nice and round. Perfect. Put it on a griddle and we're going to cook it. Turn your burner high. Once it's get heated up, bring the temperature to medium. And I'm using a griddle which is non-stick. So now we're going to place the roti on top of it. So now we're going to cook on both sides. So it will take like a couple minutes on this side. As it will start changing the color, you will see it. Then we're going to flip it over. As you see, it start to change the color. It start bubbling up. So it's a 2 minutes. Now we're going to turn it over. If you're used to with the hand, you can do that. If you are not, then we can use a spatula. So now we can use a spatula if you're, like I said, not comfortable. We can flip it over. As you see, it's a beautiful color. So now if you see there is a little bit spots, you see it, that area we can press it with spatula like that. Just like this. So keep your gas on a medium as I shown to you. If you keep it on high, then it will start burning. So now we're going to flip it over. And we'll see on the other side, look at, there's no spots, it's fully cooked. So we're going to press it to the area we've seen, a little bit not cooked, so we're going to press it again. This is perfectly done, and now we're going to get a plate and place a paper towel and place it on top of it, just like that. And now we're going to use olive oil, little amount of olive oil on top of it, and just like this. So this is all ready, and now we're going to keep continuing doing the same thing on others. This is the last one. Let me share with you. As you've seen it, it's a very easy recipe and it's one of the best vegan roti, avocado roti. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, please like, share and subscribe to Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.